Let me show you how I make easy barbecue with the pork and chicken. So let's do it mga cooking ina. Our ingredients for this recipe are: first, we're going to marinate our pork. We're going to put this in our bamboo barbecue steak mga cooking ina. So the size is like this. This is 1 kilo mga cooking ina of pork belly. Now mga cooking ina, we're going to add our garlic. So we're going to press our garlic here mga cooking ina. I have a press here. So we're going to do like this mga cooking ina. So just half of this. I like barbecue with a lot of garlic mga cooking ina. That's why I put a lot of garlic. So we just mix this first. Then we're going to add our lemon mga cooking ina. Just do like this. See that mga cooking ina? We need to put lemon. So and next, so then the rest will be in the chicken. We're going to use some Mamacita barbecue marinade. So we're going to put this here, 1 cup of this barbecue sauce. We just mix well in this mga cooking ina. Then we're going to put it in the container. We need to marinate this for like 1 to 2 hours, but it's more tasty and better if we marinate this overnight mga cooking ina. Then we cover mga cooking ina. This is ready to put in our fridge. Hello everybody! Welcome back to my channel again, Cooking Ina Siargao. The next we're going to marinate mga cooking ina is our chicken. So we just do like this. Then the same procedure mga cooking ina. We add our garlic. I am a garlic lover mga cooking ina. So we're going to add our lemon. We just press like this mga cooking ina. This is 1.5 kilo of chicken. We're going to add our Mamacita barbecue marinade. This one mga cooking ina, did you notice that I didn't put brown black pepper because this one is complete. So because this is 1.5 kilo, I'm going to add 1.5 cup. And we're going to mix well mga cooking ina. This is ready. So we're going to transfer in our other container. It's ready, and we're going to cover and we put it in our fridge cooking ina. And now mga cooking ina, after overnight we marinate our barbecue, we're going na to check mga cooking ina. Oy, oy, oy. It smells good. Very good. You see that mga cooking ina? So now we're ready our grill outside because we're going to grill our chicken and our pork barbecue. Oy, oy, oy. Wow. We're going to put this one in our bamboo steak. We're going to do like this. It's a nice weather. If we go to the beach, we do barbecue, you know, mga cooking na with our family. Very good experience together. Look, mga cooking na. It's a pork barbecue, right? So we put there. Then next, if we making like this mga cooking ina, we make it pretty also, diba? Oh, it's look like the one that the barbecue that we're eating in the Mang Inasal in Philippines, right? So our last one is look like this. So how much we make for 1 kilo? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Mga cooking ina, it's ready our pork barbecue for grilling outside in my house. We're going to grill this together with our chicken and some fish and vegetables, mga cooking ina. So see you there, mga cooking ina. Outside in my house, we're going to barbecue. Hi, welcome in the outside of my house. Now we're going to barbecue the pork and the chicken. So we just do like this. It's ready our barbecue grill. Here is our chicken. If we barbecue the chicken, first we grill in the skin side. Then we're going to close this mga cooking ina for just like 5 minutes. So now we're going to turn our barbecue. Look our barbecue mga cooking ina. It's look pretty. Okay, now for the second time, mga cooking na, we open our barbecue grill and it's look like this. See that, mga cooking na, it's on ready our barbecue. Some of our pork barbecue is ready, so we transfer in our plate. Now we check again. Look at our barbecue, mga cooking ina. So this is ready. This one is ready too. You see that, mga cooking na? It's ready.